Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to upload guys oppo phone setting guys, and today we will try to guys face lock data guys. How can we delete? Friends, we want to delete guys your face data. So friend, how can we delete in oppo phone device? Today friends we will talk about in this video guys. So without waste time guys, we will on guys our phone setting to delete guys face lock data. After on phone setting guys, you can see guys your oppo phone guys this password and security settings. So guys, you will have to on guys your phone password and security settings. So guys, I will tap here to on it. After on guys, you can see guys your face lock setting is on. So guys, we will tap here guys, and guys draw your pattern, and friends you have any password, so I enter your password. So I will draw my pattern lock, and friends you can see face data guys. I will tap on delete icon, delete face guys, tap here to delete. After that guys, you cannot use guys face lock setting guys. You want to use guys, you will have to set up guys again your face lock, then guys you can use it. So like that guys, you can delete guys your face lock in your oppo phone device. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to delete face data. So bye guys.